everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're solving weekly contest 387 of LeetCode. I was able to solve the first three questions. We have already solved the first one. Now we'll move to the second question, which is this one. I'll just remove the solution for now. So count submatrices with top left element and sum less than k. You're given a zero indexed integer matrix grid and an integer k. Return the number of submatrices that contain the top left element of the grid and have a sum less than or equal to k. So actually what we need to do is, like, suppose we'll take this matrix. So we have to take this top left element, and then we can move to either right or left, and we can even take this diagonal element just to form a submatrix, like 72729 or 7215, like that. It should form a rectangle or a square. That is the minimum requirement, and the sum of that submatrix should be less than k. Yeah, so we'll just take this as our example and we'll see the intuition behind it. So it's 7, 2 and 9, 1, 5 and 0, 2, 6 and 6. So we can even go to the row wise towards its right, or we can even go down to the column wise, and we have to also consider the diagonal case. So what we can do in such a case is, first we'll take a row wise prefix sum of this grid. So we'll do 7 to 9, 7 plus 2 9, so 7 would be 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. Now same for 150, 150 would be like 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6. Now same for 266, we'll go 2 is 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 6 14. Now we have got the row wise. Now we'll even do the column wise prefix sum of this matrix, not the original one. So what we'll do is 7, 9 and 18, 1, 6 and 6, 2, 8 and 14. Now we'll do the column wise. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Now 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 8 is 23. 8 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 14 is 38. Yeah, so we have got our final cumulative sum matrix. Yeah, so now what we can do is we can just loop over it and we can see if the sum or the value is less than k. So we'll consider this 7, we'll consider this 9, and we'll consider this 18 as well, and we'll consider this 15. Now we'll consider this 8, we'll consider this 10. Now what this 7 means, 7 means we are only considering this. 9 means we are considering 7 and 2. 18 means we are considering 7, 2 and 9. Now 8 means we are considering 7 and 1. 10 means we are considering 7, 1 and 2. Now this 15 is really interesting. 15 means we are considering this 7, 2, 1, 5. So we can just go through the code once. I've created a cumulative matrix 2D array of m into n size, and I'm just doing a row wise prefix sum, taking the first element as it is, otherwise adding it with the previous one. Now I started doing the column wise prefix sum of the cumulative matrix only, adding it with the previous row or the element above it. Now simply I can loop over it and I can find if my element or cumulative matrix element is less than equal to k, then I'll just increase the counter. Can just submit it once. Yeah, it works fine. Thank you.